say Prezi, and then I need your team names. What are your last names? Put that in your email.
There we go.
Okay.
No,
He's a good man. He has his USB cord with him. That'll be the quickest
Okay.
way. Or you're a good man. How about that?
How long do you want us to stay on each slide?
Again, just a normal viewing mode. Enough just to be able to read it kind of quickly and then go to the next one. Okay? Whatever you think works. Don't go so fast you can't read it. So they must have bumped somebody must have bumped your video forward. Can you find this phone again? You top and the bottom.
There we go. Yeah, Chris, it should be in there. That's how I got mine. I didn't do anything. I just do like.
No, I got it.
Okay, and let me know if you're here. Let me know. Alexander, not here. Mr. Curry, let me know if you get a hold of him, okay? All right. Bishop? Here. Bowman? Here. Chrisman? Here. Cochran?
Here.
Davin? Here. Fitz?
His
Hentz?
Here.
Excuse me. Kelly? Cal Kelly?
For into what? Just that folder.
Martin?
Yeah, the one.
Carter? Martin?
Here. Oh, you're not ready.
Yellow McGonigal?
That's the exact same.
Pelletier? Here. Pearson?
Here.
Pitstick?
Here. Hold on,
Tyler?
I see.
Thomas?
Click
Roper?
this to play it. Okay.
Connor Ryan? Here. First, Shelton? JD? Sorry, JD Smith? Here. Mr. Thiemann? Here. Swagner?
Here. Copy paste it. Should pop up.
And Welch.
What?
Thank you. So Evan kind of left you hanging there. That's not cool. I'd kind of let him have it personally. Yeah. So, do you have the app?
Yeah, I'm here first thing.
So, you'll probably have to do it where your pictures are on your phone. Go to your pictures and videos. There should be a little button to share.
Okay.
And once, if Dropbox is in there, you're just going to share it in the Dropbox account. You'll probably need a username and password, no big deal. And then you go onto your computer onto Dropbox.com, log in, and it'll be in there. If you don't have a cable. If that's not working, then you'll have to borrow somebody else's phone, somebody who's nice. Not them. Might cost you some money though.
Ready to create folder or set location?
I'm sorry.
It popped up with this like where I need to send.
It's asking for permission for location and all that. You'll have to
Well, no, it says create folder.
create a folder. Yeah, just make it